Get a feel for the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this trail-ready Jeep Gladiator, the midsize pickup designed specifically for off-road exploring. Tech-savvy and incredibly versatile, this fearless adventure machine is ready to take you on the road less traveled in comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, fog lamps, premium sound system, V6 cylinder engine, four-wheel drive. Get the off-road capability you want and the practical convenience you need in this family-friendly Gladiator. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.